Hello everyone. Now, as we all know that the UPSC CMS results are out, but wait, there is a major change in that. The list which was circulating earlier and uploaded on the UPSC website has a major changes now. The provisional list which was uploaded before contains of the total number of 376, but now it has been revised and it has been now changed to 353. That means 23 roll numbers have been deducted from that list. So I would recommend all students who have gone through that list, please recheck your roll numbers. I have even marked out the roll numbers there, which I will be sharing the screenshot below, which you can check. Those roll numbers are removed. Actually, there was a confusion before that the roll numbers mentioned in the provisional list were having the roll numbers there, but there was no rank or the name mentioned in the below cadres, both in the category 1 in the category 2. So they have contacted the UPSC people and now they have revised the result and they have erased the roll numbers from that website. So I have rechecked the ranks and the names had not been changed, which have been mentioned below, but I would personally recommend from my side to please go through the new result which you have seen earlier. So for your help, I would be uploading the previous result and the new result, both result PDFs in my Telegram group. I would share the link below in the description. You can go through that link and please go through your result once again, because the 23 roll numbers have been removed from the provisional list. Now let me help you. What is actually the provisional list? Provisional list simply means that yes, you have cleared the exam, but during your document verification, when you have appeared for the interview, you was unable to show some of your documents. So for that, they have given you a period of 6 months to verify all those documents, but you have been selected. But if you're not able to show them the documents within a span of 6 months, then definitely you would not be recommended and you will not get the call letter. So please, provisional list is important. Please recheck your roll numbers mentioned there. So all the best. Once again, we have secured all AIR rank 1 and 2. Heartiest congratulations to all the rankers who have achieved such great rank. And definitely the second part of all the doubts which have been from the selected students will be coming in the next video. So stay tuned. I would be solving all of your queries there. So once again, all the best. Keep studying and heartiest congratulations for your result.
Download Medera, your ultimate UPSC CMS guide.